much is charged for the attorney fees in an Indiana or Indianapolis workers' compensation case? Well, usually this amount charged follows the Indiana statute very closely. So I'll go over that Indiana statute. Generally, for the first $50,000 of recovery, generally 20% is charged, at least under the statute. And then for the amount of recovery over that is usually 15% of the total amount, except for situations where there's unpaid medical bills or situations where there's future medical expenses, and those usually only charge 10% of the amount. Therefore, if you're interested in how much most workers' compensation attorneys charge, it's based on that statute, which is in the link in this section. Now, why are these amounts a little bit lower than some other forms of law, like injury, personal injury, and things like collection? Well, that's because of two main reasons, the biggest of which is the workers' compensation system wants to preserve as much value and reward for the workers. It's all about the workers and protecting them in the workers' compensation system. Secondly, the workers' compensation system hopes at least to minimize how much attorney hours will be required because it's an administrative system. Now, this doesn't always work. Obviously, there's extensive amount of hours that go into many workers' compensation cases, but the amount of compensation that the attorney receives is limited, once again, just to protect the workers. So that's a basic understanding of how much our office or an Indianapolis office that does workers' compensation would likely charge for a workers' compensation case.